Good morning, National Dayers! It's Mrs. Erickson. Today is Monday, November 28th. It is the 332nd day of the year. There are 33 days left. That's a lot of threes. Happy National Red Planet Day. Each year on November 28th, Red Planet Day commemorates the launch of spacecraft Mariner 4. It's also a day to learn more about Mars, which is referred to as the Red Planet. After 3 previous attempts, spacecraft Mariner 4 became the first successful flyby of Mars. The spacecraft was launched on November 28, 1964, and reached Mars on July 14, 1965. The successful mission produced 22 pictures of the Martian surface. These pictures were the first ever close-up photos to come from deep space. This mission, along with several others that occurred afterward, has helped us learn much about the red planet. It's the iron oxide on the planet's surface that makes it red, and Mars is half the size of Earth. The minimum distance from Earth to Mars is about 33.9 million miles, and the temperature on Mars can range from negative 284 to 86 degrees Fahrenheit. One more amazing fact is that due to the difference in gravity, a 100-pound man would only weigh 38 pounds on Mars. It's no wonder so many people want to go to Mars. In fact, NASA wants to send humans to Mars as early as 2030. Today is also Albania Independence Day, Cyber Monday, National Brand Day, and National French Toast Day. Okay, National Dayers, so we're going to make the red planet today. Gather the following supplies. You'll need paint, red, orange, yellow, brown, and white. You'll need a white paper plate, some Q-tips, a piece of black paper, and a paintbrush. Okay, let's get started. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to paint the paper plate in different colors using like a sweeping motion. And I added a little bit of water to my paint to make it easier to spread around because you don't want it to be super dark. You want it to be different colors. And I added a little bit of orange and a little bit of yellow in order to get a streaky kind of spotty look because that's what Mars looks like. And then next, once the paint has dried, I cut out the round part in the middle of the paper plate. And how perfect was that? You have like a perfect planet and you didn't have to measure a circle or anything. I wanted to create a galaxy look, so on the black paper using the white paint, I used Q-tips and did dots of white paint to make it look like stars. And then I glued the planet to the black piece of paper. And there you have it. You have the red planet on a piece of paper that you can hang up or give to someone just to remember what an amazing day today is and how amazing the planet Mars is as well. Okay, National Dayers. How cool are we? I mean, I am so proud of this one. This is great. And I love how there's like shadows on one side and light on the other, like the sun is shining on it. I think this is pretty amazing. Of course, I think we're pretty amazing every day, don't I? All right, National Dayers, keep smiling. Have a marvelous Monday. Enjoy your day. Has anyone seen Commando? I feel like I've lost him again. Commando! I gotta go. I gotta find my cat. Bye! Commando! Commando! It's time for super spectacular shoutouts. Shoutouts today start us off with Mrs. Lisa, Miss Philo, Mrs. Anna, Ms. Miriam, and Mr. Ryan, and everyone in the special education program at Virginia School in Wheatland, California. Next up is Mrs. Kearley and everyone in the 9th through 12th grade STC Math and Science class at Valley Vista High School in Surprise, Arizona. Third up today is Mrs. Quidek and everyone in the 7th grade program at Home-Based Discovery Middle School in Alexandria, Minnesota. Fourth up today is Ms. A and Ms. Griss and everyone in the 18 Plus transition program at Katy High School in Katy, Texas. And our fifth shout out today goes out to Mrs. Polson and everyone in the Middle School Access Points Social Studies program at Eisenhower Middle School in Gibsonton, Florida. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for your support. I hope you loved your shout out. Teachers, if you'd like to get your class a shout out, just complete the Google form. The link can be found below this video in the description. And here it is, our updated, super spectacular shout out map.